Kids, let's now do question 4 of exercise 1, which is on page number 25. It says, a flight left New Delhi and flew 6,707 kilometers to London in 8 hours 10 minutes. It then travelled 5,576 kilometers from London to New York in 7 hours 20 minutes. What is the distance travelled from New Delhi to New York? Now kids, in this question you are told that the plane first travelled from New Delhi to London and then the same plane travelled from London to New York. That means it is covering certain distance from New Delhi to London and certain distance from London to New York. And we are asked to find the total distance the plane travelled. So this means we will add the distance of both the journeys plane covered. Kids, time given to you in this question is merely additional information and we don't need that information to solve our questions. We just need the distances which are mentioned in kilometers, right? So let's start. So the first statement would be distance travelled from New Delhi to London is equal to 6,707 kilometers. Kids, here we are given with the units. So please don't forget to mention the units. Distance travelled from London to New York is equal to 5,576 kilometers. And how will you calculate the total distance travelled from New Delhi to New York? That would be 6,707 kilometers plus 5,576 kilometers. That means when we add both the distances travelled by the plane, we will get the total distance of the journey of the plane, right? So let's now write these numbers in the column form and do the addition. So kids, 7 plus 6 would be 13. So keep 3 at 1's place and carry 1 to 10's place. Now at 10's place, 1 plus 0 would be 1 and 1 plus 7 would be 8. Moving to 100's place, 7 plus 5 would be 12. So keep 2 at 100's place and carry 1 to 1000's place. And 1 plus 6 at 1000's place will give you 7 and 7 plus 5 will give you 12. So we need 10,000's place so that we could write 12. Right. So the answer for this question would be the total distance travelled from New Delhi to New York is 12,283 kilometers. Now solve this question in your notebook.